15 English mistakes that Japanese people often make. Perfect for beginners and kids. That English actually doesn't work. The printer is out of order. That sounds odd. What should I say? It is broken. It is broken. I drink cider. That is not correct. What is the right word? It is soda. It is soda. I am high tension. That does not work. How do you say it? I am energetic. I am energetic. I wear a muffler. That is not right. What should I say? It is a scarf. It is a scarf. I go to a convenience. It is unclear. How do you say it? It is a convenience store. It is a convenience store. Do you have a sharp pen? That is not correct. What is the right word? It is a mechanical pencil. It is a mechanical pencil. Is there a guard man? That does not work. What should I say? It is a security guard. It is a security guard. Use the klaxon. That is not common. How do you say it? Use the horn. Use the horn. I am a part-time. That sounds odd. What should I say? I work part-time. I work part-time. I did a reform. That is not right. What is the right word? I did a renovation. I did a renovation. Toilet paper is empty. That is not correct. How do you say it? It is out. It is out. Stop at a gas stand. That does not work. What should I say? It is a gas station. It is a gas station. Go to the veranda. That is not right. How do you say it? It is a balcony. It is a balcony. I wear a trainer. That is not correct. What should I say? It is a sweatshirt. It is a sweatshirt. I wear a parka. That is not right. How do you say it? It is a hoodie. It is a hoodie. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.